Hey everyone. So imagine we are summarizing our PDFs with an intelligent building system using a model which can actually be integrated in some other channel, let's say Telegram. So we are using this as a study assistant. So what we have done is basically we have built an automation AI system that can actually answer all your PDF summaries. It already has PDF ingestion, structured summaries, persistent agent, and Telegram interface. So let's see how this is possible. So now I have opened my terminal here. So as we can see in this terminal, we have to basically just configure our OpenClaw as usual. How we do normally, we have to onboard it first, and then whenever we are onboarding it, we have to select our model provider. So I provided this as Google Gemini, and then we have to provide our bot token for Telegram, and then we have to integrate it here. But there is one condition here. So I am using basically Linux software here, right? So in Linux software, so basically if I am trying to install this command of curl command of this one, which is astral.sh these commands. So what it basically does is that it installs all your dependencies in this Linux command. Okay, because we need some OpenClaw skills like Nano PDF and all those things here. So we have to install all those things here in order to check whether our model can retrieve those things or not. So these are some important softwares which we have to install it before we are giving our Telegram a query here, and then we just need to run a doctor command to see whether it fixes that or not. And after this, when we come at the top, so see here, since we have already used OpenClaw Doctor Fix to apply the changes, we are now using this command of system as CT1 user status OpenClaw gateway. So I have not run the OpenClaw server here. Okay. So what this command basically does is that this checks whether your gateway service is running, failing, or restarting. Okay, if you even don't run your gateway service, if you run even this command in Linux, it's more than enough. You don't need to run a gateway server in another terminal again. So when you load this, you get the state of active and this is running. You have 11 tasks and these all things are there. Fine. So after a server is set up, now let's go to our Telegram and this is our chatbot. So I have given a PDF of ninth class book, which was real numbers. So this was the PDF which I have given. Okay, this is the real numbers one, and see it has summarized me and given this here. So let's try with another example as well. So let me just give some, let's say, science PDF. Okay, so let's see how this will do this. So I'll just go to this and let's even try uploading multiple PDFs at once. So this is taking time and yeah. So this is a very large file, but still I will download this here. Okay, fine. So now after I download this, I will choose the document to select, and then this is the science NCRT. Okay. Now I'll just ask it to summarize the PDF as usual. Okay, first it will download. And see, the special thing is that we are using Telegram for interacting chatbot here. We are even uploading the PDF. Basically, we have made Telegram only as our AI study assistant agent here. And that's a great thing because as we can see that normally we just use any kind of model provider like Google Gemini and all. But here we can use any model. So we can use either Google Gemini, we can use either Open Router or any kind of model which supports this. Okay, I have basically provided Gemini 3 Pro as the main model here, which is the default model. So I'll show you this where this is. You will basically get this in the setup whenever you install this. So this is the model provider and you can choose your model, this model. So this model is basically running here. Okay, it may take some time, but it will definitely provide you the answer very quickly. So till that time, we can even ask an order query since it has already given me the response for this real numbers chapter from this. So now I will try asking one query that uh, from this, make a 7-day study plan for me. So let's see what it will. So basically, what we're observing is that OpenClaw script works perfectly for small PDF, but it fails on large PDF since this is almost 16 MB. So large PDFs means it's more text and more tokens. So the model context window gets exceeded, the API throws context length exceeded, and the script silently truncates the input. So that's why in that case, what we need to do is that we have to extract the text for large PDF and then embed and then summarize it. Unfortunately, in OpenClaw, we can't directly add this like this here. We need to actually make it so we have to create embeddings for retrieval augmented generation setup. So that's why it is good for small PDFs and it's good for summarizing large text. But for very large PDFs like 300 pages or 400 pages, it still will take some time. I think in the near future, we can see this improvement. So that's all from my side. Thank you.